We are inspired by our nature, and the name of the collection is Soul of Nature. We have sort of experimented with Kasthall's well-known techniques and materials, but we have turned it around and twisted it. We have many new products, both woven and tufted, wall to wall, and it has been a lot about colors as well. One of the key products is our rug feather. It's inspiration from the feathers of birds. The pattern inside the rug is three-dimensional, and it's like small feathers from the penguin belly, how they are connecting to each other. We are playing with high and low tile in a three-dimensional surface. The shadows is what is creating the pattern. So it's high and low mixed together. We have many nice products in our collection from the past, but they need to have new colors. They need love and care, so to speak. So that's also in an update or a collection that we do both new products and we update the classical ones.